Today I have for you guys Lip Monthly and Lipstick Junkie. These two boxes are going to go head to head in a battle of the beauty boxes. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, beauty, clothing, food, you name it, I unbox it, and if I haven't, I probably will be soon. I'm sure you have seen other reviewers do beauty box versus videos where they either sign up for a different profile from a beauty box and compare 2 or 3 different bags, or they take 2 different brands and compare them. This is going to be a little bit different than that. For the next 3 months, we're going to be comparing the same 2 subscriptions. Each month you guys get to vote on which one was your favorite. At the end of those 3 months, the winner will continue on for another 3 months, and the loser, I will cancel that subscription and replace it with a brand new subscription. So the winner and loser is all up to you. I will let you guys know down in the comments which one was my favorite. Each month when I do the new video, I will let you know the winner of the previous video. So when I do January's video, I'll let you know who won December's. Was it Lip Monthly? Was it Lipstick Junkie? I'll let you guys know in January, and then again in February I'll let you know. March's video will have the winner and then a brand new subscription to compete with that winner. So I have 2 rules. The first rule is it has to be a beauty box. It can't be Battle of the Beauty Boxes when it's like a food box, okay? So that just won't work. They have to be beauty boxes. And the second rule is they have to stay within about $5 range of each other. It doesn't make sense to take a $5 box and a $20 box and try to compare them because the value is just going to be completely different. So we're going to try to stick within $5, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less, but within that range to give it a fair fight, you know? Okay, let me introduce the 2 boxes that we have. So our first one in this pretty pink package, I'm going with this one first because it arrived at my house first. This is Lip Monthly. I signed up for this at the end of November and they mailed it out like the very last day of November. So this is November's Lip Monthly, but because they didn't ship it out till the end of till like the very last day of November, I didn't get it until December. So this is why it's going in December's video. Lip Monthly provides you with 4 full-size lip products. They could be lipsticks, lip glosses, lip balms, lip stains, you name it, anything related to the lips, basically you're going to find in this box. Each bag is supposed to have a $50 value and it costs $12.95. So I am counting this as a $13 bag because $12.95 is 5 cents away from being $13. And our competitor over here is Lipstick Junkie. I did order this at the same time as Lip Monthly, but they sent me December's box instead of November's. So either way, I'm okay with how they want to do it. Lipstick Junkie, they provide you with 3 to 4 lipsticks from either indie or well-known brands. They do have a disclaimer on their site though that made me laugh. They are not for someone who's looking to discover normal everyday looks. They are all about bold, interesting, unusual colors. So they might have some like normal everyday colors in here that are wearable for your everyday work life or going out life, but they're gonna throw in their random colors, and I've seen pictures with like purples and blues and just vibrant colors that you're not normally gonna wear on your lips. But it's all in the fun of discovering new things. They didn't have a value of what each month's box is going to be, so I have no value comparison at the moment. We'll do that at the end. I'll have the value of both boxes on the screen, but this one costs $18 a month, so it is just a little bit more expensive and it hits right at that $5 mark. This one is so cute. Okay, first up we have Lip Monthly, and this is definitely a fall bag. It is pretty cute. I do like bags, like makeup bags like this, because they're great for traveling, keeping little things in, and you don't have to just keep makeup in. I've used them for hair ties, I've used them for little kids' toys, and just random things. So these are very helpful when traveling or just using around the house, not just for makeup. But it is a pretty small bag compared to this box, and I am really impressed with Lipstick Junkie at the moment. Both the bag that it came in and this adorable box is very Christmas themed. Now this box has no like identification on it saying Lip Monthly or Lipstick Junkie, so I could totally reuse this as a Christmas present box, and I just might do that because it's stinking cute. Look at the little baby reindeer on there. Okay, we will open up Lip Monthly first and see what they have. And that is their card with the raindrops. It says, "Welcome to the November bag." It's that time of the year again where the days begin to get shorter and the weather continues to get cooler for most of us. And this bag is just lippies from their favorite brands. So this card doesn't tell me a value of anything that's in here. Our first thing is from Trifle Cosmetics, and I have gotten something from them before. It was a cheek highlighter. Their packaging is so stinking cute though. I love it. This is called Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Their packaging is adorable. Just so cute. I do feel like though that this is a kid's size. It doesn't look full size to me. I don't know. Full size just, like maybe if it was a little bit bigger it would be full size. But let's see. It's just a tinted lip gloss. So I'm going to put it on my hand because I have a lot to swatch. It is very shiny, very a sheer color. And I prefer my lip glosses to have a little bit of color. Some days I don't want to wear lipstick and I just want something on my lips. So I do like to throw on a tinted gloss quite a bit. I will probably get a lot of use out of this one. The next little item in here is from Peony. It is a Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. That's what that little box looks like. I believe all the brands from Lip Monthly are cruelty-free brands. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. And, oh, wrapper. Yikes. I'm glad it's sealed, but they're always hard to get off. And right now it's that time of the year where it's really dry out and everything, there's static everywhere and like the little plastic sticks like crazy. Do you have that when you're trying to get the plastic off and it just won't come off your hands? The package is really cute, but again, I feel like it's tiny. It looks like something that you get in like the kids makeup aisle, you know? Oh, it has an inner seal too. So it's double sealed. Oh no. As you can tell, this is a completely different day. I made a mistake when I was filming and my camera films for so long and then it turns off. And I thought I hit the button to restart it and apparently I didn't. So I missed a whole section of filming. So here I am quickly refilming for you guys so you have that last footage. It will be inserted in between two sections that I had already pre-filmed. I believe I was talking about the Peony Butterfly Butter Lip Scrub. And I have had time now to look them up, and both the lip scrub and the lip gloss are full-size products. They're just teeny tiny. So the lip scrub is very thick. It's like a Vaseline like texture with granules of sugar in it. It's very gritty. but I think it'd be moisturizing at the same time because it's that very thick, balmy type of a feel. So I am happy to have this product because it's winter. You have the dry skin. If your lips are like mine, they go from being moisturized to being like cracked and bleeding in a matter of like one liquid lip. So liquid lips especially just dry my lips out, and so if I wear liquid lip all day, by the end of the day my lips are sore, they're cracking, they are possibly bleeding, it's just nasty. And I definitely need a lot of glosses and a lot of lip balms this time of the year, and I think using a lip scrub like this before I put on a liquid lip would help remove any dead skin but also moisturize my lips. So that's nice to have. Next we have by Model Co. This would be a regular lipstick, and the color is gorgeous. It is in the shade Tango Pink. And when I first read that, Tango Pink, I thought it was going to be like this hot pink type of color, but it is a very neutral color pink. Very, I don't know, everyday wear type of a thing, and not at all what I was expecting it to be. Our last item is by Luna. It's a lip oil, and I like the packaging. It's got stars here at the bottom, and it's just a clear gloss. The gloss has like a slight purple hint. I've never used a lip oil, and I still haven't tried this one out, but when I was filming the other video, the lip oil ended up sinking into my hand and just kind of being absorbed by my hand. And so something like this time of the year is a fantastic product. And it's just right here on my hand. You can kind of see it. It's just a little on the shiny side, very sheer. So if you don't want color on your lips but you want moisture, I think this would be a great product. Alright, I will let you go on back to my previous filmed footage, and you're going on into the Lipstick Junkie box. Enjoy! Next up we have Lipstick Junkie, and I think Lipstick Junkie is going to be mainly just lipsticks opposed to the glosses and balms and everything else that Lip Monthly has. So this box has a card in it that says Christmas isn't a season, it's a feeling, and on the back it does tell you the prices of these items, so that is nice. Our first item here is from Dirty Little Secret. I've heard of this brand before, but I've never gotten anything from them, and this is in the color Cinnamon, and the value of this is $14. Now I don't know, to me cinnamon is like a dark brownish red color, so oh, okay. It's more pink than I thought it was going to be. I love the polka dots on the packaging. That is so cute. Let's test this out. It actually looks very similar to the lipstick that we got from Lip Monthly. That is pretty funny. They are very, very similar colors. So that is the Cinnamon. It's a little bit darker of a pink than this one, but I think if this one wasn't so sheer, you could layer it up to look similar to that. Our next item is from Laritzi Cosmetics, and this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the color Thrill. Okay. This says it retails for $20. Ooh, that's pretty. This is like a very brick red kind of color. And you know, I'm sitting here looking at my hand where I placed the lip oil. That lip oil has actually sunk into my hand, and it's just a very light sheen right now. So it will probably sink into your lips and very moisturize. That is nice. Very, definitely this time of the year. It's a very pretty red color. I love red. This is from Appeal, a holographic lip gloss. Now, it is not holographic. I don't see very many colors in here. It's just like a glittery lip gloss to me. Oh, come on. Gotta get off the sealed plastic. Okay. Ugh, stuck. Let's see what this looks like. I don't know. You guys probably won't be able to see the glitter. It just looks like a clear lip gloss with glitter in it. I'm not getting a holographic shine. I mean, there's some yellow, some color to it, but would I call this holographic? Not really. It's pretty. I like glittery lip glosses. Bonus item! So I got 3 items plus a bonus, which they said 3 to 4 items. And this is from Folly Fire. It's called Matte Manipulation. In the shade Weekend Zombie. Okay. It is not on my card, so the bonus items aren't on the card. I will put the value of it up on the screen anyhow. I do kind of like that bullet on there. The end of it looks cool. Oh. Yeah, Weekend Zombie for sure. This would definitely be something I could see in an October box. So maybe they're like leftover from last month. Or not last month, but October. That's actually kind of pretty, but I would never wear this. It's a very slate gray type of a color. I did put 2 layers on there. It was kind of patchy to begin with, so that might be something to watch out for. I will let you know right up here on both sides. Lip Monthly will be here. Lipstick Junkie will be on this side. The total value, if that's something you're interested in. I'm personally on the fence about this one. I got 3 good products from Lipstick Junkie. The gray, I'm probably never going to wear unless it's like for Halloween dressing up or something. Lip Monthly, I really love Lip Monthly's products with the lip scrub and the lip oil and just the variety, but the 2 products seemed kind of small. And I know they say they don't do sample sizes, but it seemed kind of small. So I'm on the fence. I will let you know in the comments down below which one was my favorite. So go ahead and check those out. And make sure to vote. Remember to vote. Up in the comments, or up in the cards will be a poll that you can click on which box you think should win. And also let me know down in the comments why. Why do you think Lip Monthly should win, or why do you think Lipstick Junkie should win? If you are new here and you love watching subscription unboxing videos, please stick around by clicking the subscribe button. I would love to have you. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!